Sugar Cookies. I'm Cookie, your lifestyle. And you're watching I Can Do That with Cookie. You'll find recipe and meal prep, exotic global foods, home staging and styling, weight loss journeys, organization, home improvements and DIYs, and reviews on makeup and everything, and so much more. Stay tuned. Hi, Sugar Cookies. For those of you who are new around here, welcome. I'm Cookie, your lifestyle. Today, it is cold and crisp in Tampa, Florida. It reached 40 in the morning, so I'm in the mood for some chili and some picadillo. Let's see how this turns out. I'm gonna give you a peek of all the protagonists for the recipe. This is gonna be easy, delicious, quick, and I promise you, it's a little strange in the mix, but it's gonna be good. All right, up on the left-hand side, you're gonna see the black frijoles. You'll see the mild rotel right next to it. Then underneath the black frijoles, you see my sofrito seasoning. I have a video on that. You have unseasoned cocoa powder there, a little bit of chipotle pepper, tomato paste. I have mixed pitted black olives and green olives. I have some Mexican oregano, a bay leaf, purple onion, organic ground beef, and worstshire, the W sauce, my sazon, and that green paste seasoning that you saw there, that is ground cumin, cilantro, ginger, and some garlic. Together, it is absolutely delicious. Now, the only thing that I'm doing right here is basically sauteing the vegetables. Ooh, it smells so good up in here. Do you have smell-o-vision? Because it smells delicious. Now I'm gonna add the sofrito and then pretty much everything else afterwards. If you're asking yourself, but Cookie, why don't you just dump everything together in one pot and keep it moving? It'll be done faster that way. Yes, you could do that. However, I find that cooking things in layers, even though it takes a little extra time, when you cook things in layers, it gives such a depth of flavor. And there's a lot of love. And this is also very therapeutic for me. Comment below and let me know if you're a one dumper or you're a layer type person. That powder that you saw me throw in there, I don't know if I mentioned before, I think I did, is cocoa powder. It's dark natural cocoa powder. Believe me, you're gonna want it in there. It gives it such a depth of flavor. It melts everything together. Just put it in there. Trust me, it's delicious. I'm gonna give this a good stir. Then I'm gonna add the meat afterwards. I found that adding the meat afterwards, guess what, guys? There's less shrinkage in the meat. I put it to the test and it works. Even though this is a 93, I think, percent less fat or something like that. Lean, I mean. And then I added some Worcestershire sauce there, and I'm gonna add some water and a little bit of beef broth, and we're good to go. And then we're gonna taste her, honey. She's parties.
This smells delicious.
Doesn't that look good?
Absolutely. Love it.
Really good? Is it nice and yummy?
More than yummy. I ate the meat alone.
Good.
That's good. Delicious. Delicious.
Look at that, how pretty. Oh my Lord. Can you describe the flavors a little bit?
I don't know. It's hard to tell. You know me. I just like to eat, but...
Let me eat.
Yeah, let me eat. I mean, what can I say? It's always, everything you do is good.
Look at that. Look at how delicious. Look at how pretty. Guys, make this. It's gonna be so easy. You don't want to make it mixed together, then just do picadillo over it, or just do the chili portion of it. But if you merge the two, that's the deliciousness that you're going to be getting.
Trifecta.
Enjoy. If you like this video and you like this content and you found some value in it, subscribe. I'd love for you to join my lifestyle sauce. Comment below and let me know what you thought of this recipe. If you have a particular chili recipe that you want to share with me, then post it down below. Share the video. Why? Because sharing is caring.
Post the notification bell, you know, the ding 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 dong bell, and select all so you don't miss any of my videos.
And as I say around here, smile, your soul will thank you for it. You don't feel like smiling? Uno minutes. Be blessed, not too stressed, and I'll see you in the next. I'm gonna have me some of this chicken. It's gonna be good. Did I mention that I had it with some sweet potatoes? What?
Hey, Chef! Vroom vroom to you too, I'm making a video!
Well, hello there. Hi, what? Hi already. Wait. Hey, Chef.
Hello?
Agent 777 here, mission accomplished.